Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, this meeting between Umbali Benotobile, listen, we are going to hear about it in next season when Umayeni is going to be quoting something they said from it. I'm just like, these two abafundine. Umayeni did not like the fact that last season they had a meeting and they mentioned Umayeni's name, and this season again they want to mention Umayeni's name again. I guess they are indirectly saying ukuthi listen, asiwesabi enendaba zakho sizozixoxa nje kahle nje. But guys, there's something that Utobile says that some people are feeling like I Tobile, like that's why people but we are papa, you want otherwise to bow to you. Now Utobile brings up indaba ye bill, guys, the hospital bill. Now Umakwele has brought up this thing before, but she did not bring out the specific amount. She just said Uguti, she asked the wives to contribute money towards the hospital bill. Umayeni was one of the people or one person who did not want to contribute towards the bill, but she eventually did. Now Utobile is saying Uguti, the doctor told her, or she was told Uguti, there needs to be 100,000 deposit for the doctor's bill. And Utobile is like, I'm just like, yes, girl, I keep on doing. How many of us, by a show of hands, how many of us can take out 100,000 rand deposits, guys, if it's needed here and there? I'm just like, listen, my girl. And then she's like, obviously, I keep because like I expect it to be reimbursed. But I'm just like, okay, Tobile, but put it in a way to say, she says, she goes on to say, hey, Zanga, other people deposited, other people didn't deposit. But I'm trying to think, guys, if it's 100,000 rands that was deposited, did they take out equal money or did a person just take out what they could take out? Because I am now thinking Ututwabile probably contributed more money towards that bill than everyone else. But they bring up indaba yokuthi Umayeni did not want to pay the bill, and Umbali says ukuthi phela na I was surprised ukuthi how can she not want to take out the bill and this is her husband, or how can she not want to take out a contribution and this is her husband? Now some people on Twitter, guys, they feeling like Ututwabile, why did she have to bring up the amount, the 100k amount in front of the whole South Africa? Utobile wants the other wives to bow down to her and whatnot. I don't really know, guys, why she brought up that amount or why she felt the need, but all I'm gonna say is yes, girl is the girl that she thinks she is, you guys. She's the girl that she thinks she is, and I'm just like, hey, guys, sometimes when it comes to money issues, people really find it sensitive to talk about. People get offended when it comes to money issues, which I don't get. You know, because even if Utobile did settle most of that amount, ngabe, like they should just be thankful because Utobile did not come and ask for any other money. She said it herself, ukuthi she did not even ask ukuthi contribute bani. Guys, kusho ukuthi leyo mali whether bayibuyisile or not ayenzi difference, because if it was me ngabe ngiyayibala, I would have got a bank statement ngiyibala ukuthi iyafika na 100k. That time yana, she's like, I don't even know who deposited, who didn't deposit. So it was small waters in comparison to what comes into her bank account. Hey guys, but anyway, let's park it right there. You guys tell me what you guys thought about that conversation. And do you think Utobile is low-key bragging by mentioning the exact amount? But I just feel like the portion where Umbali and Utobile were speaking about Umayeni, they were low-key judging her for the way she reacted towards Umusa. Not only towards the hospital bill, but to all in the things she was saying, how she was harsh, how she was saying Umusa. It looks like there was ingxabano about Umusa, where does he sleep? Isn't zinjalo, but it looks like Umayeni made a drama out of this, and I'm like, guys, lokuzana maphumalo nomangwabe phume ezindabeni zikaMayeni, because she knows ukuthi le ndoda imenzeni for her to act like that. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.